Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Vetri, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Bomits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, work on all conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is February 3, 2023, Friday. Bank Nifty closed 2% up, 41,499.7, and Nifty closed 1.3% or 1.4% up at 17,854. If you recollect yesterday's video, see every video we tell what happened, why it happened, what will happen. Yesterday's video, what did we say? We said that second reversal happened from the Bollinger Lower Band, and we also told that one who knows Bollinger Band will know that the first reversal to be ignored, second reversal should be considered seriously, third reversal is an absolute confirmation that the trend has reversed. So in this case, the second reversal from the Bollinger Lower Band to the upper band. Obviously, it is evident that it is a clear reversal. Only thing is that we wait for confirmation. Also, we said yesterday, what was the candle it formed? It formed a solid green candle, a piercing pattern type of candle, or a morning star type of candle. And today, if it opens gap up, typical the rule for a morning star is if it opens gap up, the third candle, it's a confirmation that, and if the low doesn't go below the previous day's low, it's a confirmation that it is going to be a uptrend. So clear morning evident that morning star formed. So in the process, what happened? Bank Nifty and Nifty, now in the weekly chart, it formed a strong piercing pattern reversal candle. Please note that. Every people will say, no boss, I am not able to understand market is volatile. Whoever says they are amateurs, excepting one condition, unknown. Like the Ukraine war suddenly happened, suddenly market collapsed because market reacted to the new event. Unless otherwise there is no new event, positive or negative, technical will work perfectly. Even in that scenario, technical will work perfectly because the new event or new news comes, the technical will adjust and the people who are reading the technical has to adjust themselves. Unfortunately, I as a trader, I am always worried about only one scenario. What is that scenario? The unknown and particularly overnight and weekend long positions. Because if I go short, how much it will go up? It will not go and touch the sky. But if I go long and if there is some negative news comes, it can go to the ground zero. So hence that is something which all of you has to understand, that technical analysis is the powerful tool available on earth to trade. If one doesn't know technical analysis, my humble request to you is that either you don't trade, you invest. You don't trade or just be an investor. Very simple. Okay. So in the weekly chart, it formed a piercing pattern and strong reversal it formed. Also, Bank Nifty and Nifty, and Bank Nifty in particular, is now above all the key exponential moving averages. It managed to stay above that. Still, is it out of danger? I wouldn't say so. Why? Because now it is nearing the middle band. Probably it might face some resistance. As we mentioned yesterday, all the banking stocks reversed. And HDFC Twins in particular was like playing like Virendra Sehwag and Sachin Tendulkar in full flow. What will happen to the bowlers? Both were hammering like anything. What happened in the process? HDFC and HDFC Bank managed to stay close above the 2022 year-end calendar year close, while all the other banking and financial components other than Chola are still below the 2022 close, like ICICI Bank or Kotak Bank or SBI. They all managed to stay above the key levels, that exponential moving averages levels, but still below the 2022 close, whereas HDFC Twins is well above the 2022 close. That tells how powerful this rally is supported by banking stocks. That is one thing. Today, one more thing happened. The other stocks moved a bit of sideways and other things, And I am talking of Adani Ports and Adani Enterprise here because it had a good move today. It went as to once again today around 20-25% down, and then it moved up. At one time it was well below the 100 monthly moving average. What does it mean? Even today, even now, it is below the 100 monthly moving average. What it means? 100 month means what? 100 by 12, roughly around 80 years average. It is below that. It is below that level. That means see the powerful push that the market has given on it. So now with the SEBI coming and even for intraday 100% margin and all those things, there's some serenity has come into the market. However, if you are a small investor, my humble request is that stay away, because let dust settle down, let things be normal. It will not run away anywhere. You can always enter. So if it is a good stock, you can always enter. Hence, wait for the right opportunity moment. But this is not the time. Let it be for the big players. Small investors or small traders you are, please don't enter. Now let's analyze the individual components. Bank Nifty on the banks, IDFC fell 1%, Yes Bank fell 2%, AU up by 1%, Kotak ICICI up by 1%, IndusInd Bank up by 2%, SBI and HDFC up by 3%, Axis also up by 2%. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv up by 5%, HDFC up by 3%, M&M Finance 2% up, Chola 1% up, L&T Housing Finance, LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram and Serum all up by 1%. So Bajaj Twins today moved up significantly because it was beaten down like anything. Still, no, we want some more confirmation before we can say that the trend has reversed. It has to stay above the exponential moving averages decisively. That is what we will wait for. Then we can say that it has reversed. Whereas in the banking, all the banking components are looking strong. Please note that. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life fell 1%. ICICI Pru Life and SBI cards 2% up. SBI Life 3% up. Oil and telecom, Bharti 2% up. Reliance remained flat. But Reliance is something, no, it didn't. It went below the last month's low, but one can expect a good rally in Reliance in the short term, because it has technically it is looking for some small bounce back, good bounce back, which will be a powerful bounce back. That is what it is looking like. On the IT, 1% down in Birlasoft Intellect, 2% down in Coforge LTIM, while Apple and Infi and TCS moved up by 1%. Techem is moving sideways. Techem is something, which I feel that it has chance of bouncing back. So just monitor it probably next week. On the consumer goods, DMart fell 1%. ABFRL, Britannia PVR 1% up. Asian Paints Pidilite Trend 2% up. Berger 3% up. Titan had a big up move of 6%. See, Titan, if you recollect last week itself, we said that short covering rally is expected. So it came after two red candles in the last 2 days. So it was clear that it's a short-term pullback, but it will enable the script to come out of the woods and move sideways and then probably change the course. On the automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Escorts, Maruti, Motherson 1% up, Bajaj Auto 2% up, Eicher and TVS 3% up. On the metals, Hindalco and NMDC 1% down, National and SAIL 3% down, Vedanta 4% down, Jindal and JSW 1% up. Health and Pharma, Divi's 11% down, 7% down in Lalpath and Metropolis, Thyrocare 2% down. Sun Pharma had a big up move of 2%. In the others category, Delta Corp, Apollo, Indigo 1% down. Polycab fell 2% because Polycab had made a significant up move. So initial morning it was up, then it came down. Then you had 1% up on Adani Enterprise, L&T, Adani Port 7% up, Nika India Mart 1% up, Zomato 2% up, UPL MCX 3% up. With all these things, what is the option expiry range for Thursday? See, please note down these levels. These are all technical levels that we are telling, and the train will operate within the track that we are giving. We call it as a track, the lower track and the upper track. Okay, or the resistance and support, whatever way you want to play, you call. Okay, Bank Nifty 39,490.50. It is February low. We are confident, technical levels, that it will not again go and touch this level in this month. January high, that is the resistance 43,678. Nifty on the other hand 17,464.80. What is it? FY 21-22 close. We said that when it went to 353 300 last week, if you see in this week, if you see 2 days it went down. We said that 464 will act as a support. If that is broken down decisively, 354.10 will act as a support. We said what are the levels. I would request you to see this week's video. You will understand. And on the upward direction, 18201 will act as a strong resistance. What is it? 50-day moving average. Thank you very much.